Make cleaning your carpets and rugs a doddle with the Ewbank EW3070 carpet cleaner. Just like you would give your hard floors extra TLC with a good mop, this model gives your carpets deep cleaning beyond vacuuming. It's great if you have kids and pets at home because it removes hidden dirt for a more hygienic clean. Stains and odours don't stand a chance thanks to the heavy-duty bristles. They get deep into the pile to make light work of even the toughest muddy footprints and drink spillages. It's lightweight with large wheels to help you manoeuvre easily around the home, and there's a 6-metre power cord so you can cover lots of ground too. The handle has a comfortable design with the solution trigger button built in for effective and quick release. There's even a handy foot release, just like you would find on an upright vacuum. Now, the dual tank technology is where the cleaning magic really happens. There is a 1.6 litre refillable clean water tank, which you can fill with either warm or cold water, and any standard carpet cleaning solution. Then you get the 1.8 litre easy to empty dirty water tank, and these tanks are completely separate to make sure you're only ever going to use clean water to wash your carpets and rugs. So if you're looking for a carpet cleaner that can handle anything life throws at it, look no further than the Ewbank EW3070 carpet cleaner.